evening, everybody. Good to hear everyone there. I'm glad.
G'day, it's Glenn VK4NGA. Welcome to another video using the SharkRF mic or m1ke on D-Star. Have a listen. It's pretty good.
Driver from the computer to it. Radio didn't like it, but I don't know what's going on, but you probably shouldn't do these things when you're half blind, but never mind, the radio's all going again. I unplugged it. I'll have another look when I make sure I know what I'm doing right. But that's my radio dilemmas I've had this week. Apart from that, I think it's all working okay. I hope the information's coming up on everyone's dashboard. I did do a test earlier in the week, and I think it appeared to be working. But anyway, I'll hand it over to the lorries at our one ICU.
Yeah, well, okay. I don't think I have to introduce myself.
So, I reckon that sounds pretty good. What do you think? Considering this is an IP transceiver, so, it's not traditional radio and hotspot. It's kind of all in one. If you haven't seen one of these before, it's battery powered, it's wireless, it's running on Wi-Fi. I got a router in this little room that I'm in. I'm not in the shack. The cool thing about this is you can roam around the house, and as long as you're in Wi-Fi range, and it's got a pretty good Wi-Fi antenna in there, then you can go on the digital voice modes. And believe me, this thing does a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Doesn't just do D-Star, does DMR, all the flavours that you'd like. Every network you can put it in. Not all at the same time, but you do get the option of a couple of DMR networks in there. D-Star, DMR, Fusion, P25, NXDN, Echolink, All-Star-Link. Probably does other things too. I don't know. I've had this for a few weeks, but I haven't used it much in the last week. I've been pretty busy, but as you can see on the screen, you get some good D-Star data, like you do on your D-Star radio, so that's pretty good. I think it's got comparable audio to my ID51, to my network radio. So have a listen.
I better pass it over to VK3NCR, Craig. This is at our one ICU.
Oh, Craig's going to be on one of my videos. Good on you, Craig.
Thanks, Laurie. VK3NCR returning to the group. Great to hear everybody's voices tonight. Well done, Daryl, in getting that up and running. I thought that'd be...
Anyway, it's the Victorian D-Star Users Group net on the Thursday night we're listening to. So I'm going to keep this video short because I'm coming up on air pretty soon. But just thought I'd give you a listen on D-Star and give you a look at what comes on the screen and how good this little gadget is. Will it replace all my radios? No, it won't. Is it a good addition? Yeah, you bet. Pair it to your phone, put it in your pocket. You've got all digital modes on the fly. Can't beat that. It's not very big. Look at the size of it. Like, it's not a big thing. A little bit bigger than the OpenSpot 4, but not much bigger. So it's a thumbs up from me. I really like it. I think it's a great companion to a digital shack, that's for sure. All right, thanks for watching this video. There's more coming up on this as I get time. I'll be doing some more videos, especially on the setting up of All-Star. VK4NGA 73.